All right, I'm getting set up to go trim a bush in my own backyard. The bush is out of control. I need to trim it up. I've been putting it off and putting it off. I'm going to use the PAS 2620 from Echo. It lets you run different attachments. So I'm going to take the edger attachment off and I'm going to put on the bush trimmer. Right now it's on my Extreme Pro Series from Green Touch trimmer rack. So just unlock it. I already had it unlocked, but that's locked. Now it's unlocked, and then you just turn this knob. It comes out, and then go back in. You just slide it in the hook at the front. Push it in, It's locked. Oh well. Now it's locked. Now I can go down the road. I can park somewhere. I can get something to eat, and you got to be really good with some kind of saw to trim this thing off of here and cut it off of here. Alright, so I got it out of the rack. Now I'm just going to switch the heads out on it. So I want to pull the little nut right there that holds it in place, loosen it up, pull it off, and just put it in the truck. I need to get some kind of rack that holds all these or something. I like to be a little organized. You just want to pay attention to what angle you're putting it at. I want to put it at like a flat angle. The locking pin in. Tighten it down. Just like that. I'm ready to go trim this bush. We're going to give this a trim. I'll pull this up, start it, and then we'll just go into time lapse. I love this Echo. So I just got done doing my mowing route. So I am convinced I'm going to get this in one pull. That's how good this is. And this 2620 is 2 years old. Okay, I got a little pop-ups there that I didn't see when I was doing it, so I'm just going to clean those up. And then I got to do, obviously, the one down there. So there's a good before and after. Back there where that pergola is, there's a clematis on both sides, and it's really killing off my bush. It's growing into the bush, and taking all the sun, so that's why it's uneven. But anyway, we got it all trimmed up. Now I'm just going to take this and set it back up for when I go mowing on Thursday. Loosen this, pull that, pop that off. Like I said, I need to get a rack or something to store all these in. Right now they just go in the back of my pickup bed. There's a trigger, alright. Goes on like this. Tightened up. Back on the rack. Locked up, secured, stored, ready to go. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.